Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick video doing an unboxing and review of the ITSOFT Faux Fur area rug in their 2x3 foot dimension in the white color. I purchased this from Amazon for about $15. The Amazon listing is actually up on my computer really to show you the different color options that are available. I purchased the white, which you can see on this photo. However, they've got about 5 different colors. They have a burgundy color, a coffee color or brown color. They have a white color with frosted black tips. And then they have a pink color, and then I believe they have a white color with a frosted gold or brown tip. I ended up going with the white just out of personal preference, but this is a faux sheepskin kind of design that you can use on chairs, beds, dog beds, on the floor. I purchased it really to use for meditative purposes, where I'm going to throw this on the ground, and I'm actually going to use a meditative cushion on top of it. And so real quick, we'll just get this open so you can get an idea of exactly what it looks like. Okay, so this is the ITSOFT Faux Fur area rug. This is their 2x3 dimension, but you can look online and look at the different sizes. I'm not going to really speak to the other sizes just because I don't have a comparison and they are a little bit differently shaped. But this is just folded in the bag, and then when you unfold it, it'll spread out to this like 2x3 dimension. As you can tell, hopefully on the camera, it's a little bit oddly shaped. So on one end there's a little bit of a cut corner where it's kind of oblong there, and then on the other end here it's curved. It is very, very soft. It's definitely fake material. It's a synthetic faux fur, but you really couldn't tell a difference. But it's very, very soft, comfortable. My dog Charlie would probably lay on this immediately and fall asleep on it. And then on the other side, basically it has this like fake sheepskin material with seams along the edges. So it is about 2x3 dimension. It's definitely soft, it's definitely comfortable, it's white. So it's something that you can throw on the ground, throw on a chair, whatever you want to do for styling purposes. I'm going to actually throw it in my meditative space, and I'm actually going to throw a meditative cushion on top of this, just because it'll look good with it, and it'll be a little bit comfortable because it's soft. But that's the ITSOFT Faux Fur area rug. You can get it on Amazon for $15. I previously checked out ones of these at Walmart. They have one that's like about a little bit larger than this, more of a direct square, which is about $20, and they do typically have a Better Homes and Garden one there that has frosted tips. That's about $40. So for $15, this is definitely more affordable than what you can get at Walmart and other stores like that. So it's something that if you want to check it out online, you can check it and purchase it from there. But I'm happy with this purchase. It's definitely worth the price for what it is. I don't see any cheap aspect of it, so it's worth the price. So thanks for watching. If you have comments, questions, post them below. Otherwise, if you like this video, hit the like button, and you can hit the subscribe button as well.